Choosing the right company for your home is a big deal. I did a lot of research before deciding on my window coverings. What stood out about Blindtex was their reputation right here in the UAE. They're a proper local company and actually listened to what I wanted. It wasn't just about the quality of the product. It was about trusting the people fitting it. That's why I chose Blindtex, and honestly, they were brilliant from start to finish. It's amazing how much of a difference the right blinds can make. My windows have been completely transformed. It's not just that they look beautiful, which they do. It's about how the room feels. The light is softer, the afternoons are blissful, and the evenings feel much more our own. It was the perfect finishing touch. It's genuinely one of the best upgrades we've made to our home. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I normally don't trust advertisement. I always think that the service is not gonna be as good as they promise. But a friend recommended Blindtex. Their promise of on-time delivery and their huge collection of fabrics made me think, okay, let's give them a shot. And they delivered, literally. On time, fitted perfectly, and the quality is fantastic. For the first time in a while, I'm so glad I didn't skip the ad. I did not regret it.